For number 19, it tells us to determine where the points will be given the scale factor that's listed. So I'm assuming that the center for dilation is going to be the origin. If the center of dilation is the origin, all you need to do is divide your x and y coordinates for each point, or I'm sorry, multiply by your scale factor. Or what you can always do is you can say, to get from the center of dilation to C, I would go right 2. So to get from my center of dilation to C prime, instead of going 2, I'll do half that. I'll multiply my scale factor by my distance. So instead of going right 2, 2 times 1/2, or half of 2, is 1. So I'll go right 1. Let me zoom out a little. So if I start at my center of dilation, I'll go right 1, and this will be C prime. You're always going to start at your center of dilation, then move. So for it to be C prime will be at 1, 0. There's only one option for those, so I can go ahead and say that is B. You can go ahead and try this with the rest of your coordinates as well. So to get from my center of dilation to Y, I would go right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right 5, and down 1. So to get from my center of dilation to Y prime, I will go and apply my scale factor to those numbers. So half of 5 is 2.5, and half of 1 is 0.5. So from my center of dilation, I'll go right 2.5 and down 0.5, and this will be Y prime. So this point right here is going to be 2.5 negative 0.5. So really this Y prime has a typo and should be negative 0.5. And then we'll do the same thing for J. So to get from my center of dilation to J, I'll go right 3, down 3. So center of dilation to J was right 3, down 3. Apply my scale factor to find J prime, and that is going to be half of 3 is 1.5, half of 3 is 1.5 again. So I'm looking for 1.5, 1.5. So again, that will be B.